Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can copy a video and put it down in CapCut. It is super simple to do. You're just going to select your video and you're just going to select copy. And as you can see, I can't put it anywhere besides like on the left or on the right. I can't put it down here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to select the video and you're just going to press overlay, and it's going to put the video down here. As you can see, again, if you want to put the video down, you're just going to want to keep on selecting overlay. But if you want to put like the overlay, like more overlays down there, you can do it by pressing copy, and it's just going to go like down here, and like you can like put this video like down here because you copied the overlay. But if you want to copy the main track, you have to select the overlay before trying to put it down, or else it's not going to work. As you can see, I can't move this around, but I can move this up and down. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!